Hey guys, welcome back to another Thunderbye Tronics video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the screen on the iPod Touch 6th generation. The screen is not shattered, but it is unresponsive and there are lines through the LCD. Most of the steps in this video can be applied to the iPod Touch 5th generation and the 7th generation as well. Anyways, let's get into the video. I will start out this repair by putting the iPod on a heating plate. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to remove the screen. Using a heat gun can have the same result, but using too much heat can damage the iPod further. Now I can take the iPod off the heat plate and use my suction cup tool to lift up on the screen, making a big enough gap for my pry tool. Now that I have successfully gotten my pry tool into the iPod, I will work it around the screen, lifting up as I go. Just be careful lifting near the top of the screen, as that is where the display connectors are. After the screen is separated from the frame, I can lie it open carefully. Next, I will remove the 12 Phillip head screws holding in the bracket covering the internals. After the bracket is set aside, I will gently remove the front-facing camera from the display assembly. Now I will go ahead and remove the 3 screws holding down the logic board. After that, I will remove the screws holding down the antenna. Now I will gently remove it from the frame. Be careful not to rip it, as it is very delicate. Now I will pry the main camera up and out. Be careful because it is still attached to the logic board. After that, I can lift up on the logic board and disconnect the battery. This is a very hard thing to do. Now that the battery is disconnected, I can remove the 2 display connectors. Now the display is disconnected and I can set the rest of the iPod aside. Some replacement screens don't come with the home button, so you need to salvage the one from the old screen. Now I will go ahead and clean the home button before I put it into the new display. With the home button installed, the display is ready to be tested. Make sure you don't forget to remove the protective film on the back of the display. Connecting the display and battery back is very hard to do. After about 15 minutes, I was finally able to connect them. By the way, sorry for the bad footage, it's just very hard to get good video and not tear the connector at the same time. Well, at least after pressing the power button, the iPod turns on and the screen is working great. Now I can go ahead and finish assembling the rest of the iPod, while I will return the 3 screws from the antenna into their proper places. Also, off camera, I put the main camera back into its proper place. Now I can go ahead and screw down the motherboard. After that, I can put in the metal plate and return all the screws back where they came from. Now I will carefully close up the iPod. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.